welcome to Food. I am here with another interesting yet super easy, super tasty recipe. These are my peppermint chocolate covered pretzels made just in minutes. You're gonna have so much fun making it, so stay tuned and let's check out the ingredients. Here are my 3 ingredients for this yummy snack. I have this mini pretzels, I have this Kisses candy cane, and M&Ms. So let's get started. Alright, so step number 1 is get the pretzels out on the baking tray, and so much fun to unwrap these lovely candy cane kisses. Look like this, the striped ones. They are so yummy and has mint flavor. Just place it on the pretzel. Each pretzel gets 1 kisses. Right? Just super fun and super easy job to do it with our kids or anybody that enjoys pretzels and yummy goodness. Candy canes and M&Ms. So I'll complete this. Alright, so preheat the oven for 200 degree Fahrenheit and just keep it warm. You do not have to bake this. We will be turning this off right now because my oven is preheated already. These candy canes are going to melt on the pretzel, and it's gonna be so colorful and delicious. So I'll be keeping this baking sheet in the warm oven for about 2 to 3 minutes, just like so. Now you will see in 2 to 3 minutes these candy canes will melt a little bit, or you do not even have to melt it, just make it soft so that we can place the M&Ms on top. And look at this, guys, this is already melted. So let's take this out. My tray is not very hot, so just warm enough. Look at this, oh my goodness. It is nice and toasty, and these candy canes are nicely melted. Now top it up with M&Ms, and that is seasoned. I am topping them up with green and red M&Ms, but choice is totally yours. You can use any kind of kisses, you can use any kind of M&Ms, you can also use peanut butter M&Ms if you like. Choice is unlimited. So it is beautiful, gorgeous, and then I'll keep it in the refrigerator to set it. So like this one, I have to turn this inside. Will look like that. And look at this, guys, doesn't this look so festive yet super delicious snack? So I'll keep this in the refrigerator for 10 minutes. Alright, and look at this beautiful peppermint chocolate covered pretzels are ready just in minutes. You're gonna have so much fun making it as well as eating it. So have fun. Enjoy this snack along with your kids and everyone in the family and friends. I hope you like this quick and easy recipe. Very interesting recipe. Do try it at home, and if you like it, give me a big thumbs up please, and do share your feedback and post your comments. Next video. Until then, take care and goodbye.